back, everybody, to Valvetronic Designs. Today we are in a 2009 N54 335 that we've just fitted our valved rear section, and the car also has a secondary cat delete. Just installed the controller as well, so you have the flexibility of one touch of the button to allow that really rich N54 kind of raspy sound that you get, or when you want, close it up and you don't have to hear anything. Perfect for not annoying the neighbors when the cold starts. And in this video, we're going to be giving you some drive-bys, some acceleration clips, everything you'll need to make the right exhaust purchasing decision. So right now, we're beginning the drive in the quiet mode. We're in drive sport, and at 2,500 to 3,000 RPM, this car, no secondary cats, and our valve rear section with the valves closed, sounds just like stock. We have the sunroof open, so you get a little bit of wind buffeting, but you barely hear any exhaust noise. If you click the system open, you get a little bit more frequencies in the cabin, lets you know that the sound is definitely there. And if we downshift a couple of gears, the car really sounds good. For 335i. I almost hit that car.